This video might just change the direction of your life in a way that you can't ever imagine. Whatever brought you here, heartbreak, disappointment, burnout, or depression, this is your turning point to feel empowered, confident, and so excited for life again. Welcome to your ultimate 30-day holistic transformation challenge. Over the next 30 days, you are going to glow up and reinvent yourself from the inside out with 30 micro habits, one small action at a time, designed to awaken your body, your beauty, your boundaries, and your joy. Each morning, I'll guide you through a soul-lifting mindset boost, a tiny, powerful new habit, a calming 1-minute body scan meditation, a rotating reminder to reframe stress, anxiety, and emotions, and a little sneak peek at what's next, so you're never alone. And remember, you're not doing this for anyone else, not to prove anything, not to earn love, not to fix yourself. You're doing this because you're worthy of living the best life, being the best version of yourself. Not one day, not at some point, but right now, today. If you've failed before, if you've started a challenge and fallen off, if you've made a resolution and abandoned it midway, please hear this. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are simply trying to grow without support, structure, or systems that actually work. This time will be different. This series is designed to gently grow your discipline and renew your motivation through science-backed daily shifts, mindset rewiring, and tiny wins that stack. We're going to build evidence and confidence that you can't help but trust yourself again. Before we begin, I want to leave a moment here for you to reflect. Close your eyes if you can and ask yourself, why are you doing this? What is your motivation for this glow-up transformation? Say it out loud. Write it down in a journal, a note, a message to your future self, or even right now in the comments below. Seriously, pause this video if you need to. Ask yourself, what am I choosing by not changing? Stagnation? Unfulfilled? Feeling down? Do I really want change? What does this transformation mean to me right now? I'll go first. I'm doing this because I've had enough sadness and insecurity, enough hoping, waiting, craving more attention from a partner who's already fading. I'm tired of crying over the sweet things he stopped doing. I don't want to chase his love anymore. I want to chase wholeness. I want to become the kind of woman who gives herself so much love and care. She doesn't need it from anyone else. I want my life to be so rich, so radiant, so joy-filled, that I forget I ever thought someone else's attention was the goal. Maybe you've felt that too. But this time, we rise. We return to our power. We reclaim our glow. We make our life great again. So save the playlist on the screen so you know where to turn in for your next daily challenge. Now, if you're ready, let's jump right to the next video where I explain to you the 5 main pillars that we will work on together to bring back the limitless and joyful you, the one that wow people or even wow yourself. Because this isn't just a glow up. This is the moment your sadness becomes your fuel. This is the chapter where your heartbreak becomes your rebirth. And this is the beginning of the most radiant, exciting era of your life. The things that are drowning you down, it can be the worst thing that happens to you, or it could also be the best thing that ever happened for you. The choice is yours.